Once logged into the app, in the dashboard select the production unit. Click the brood sourcing icon. Select brood provider. Select brood line. Enter batch alias name. Enter ordered male quantity. Enter ordered female quantity. Enter received male quantity and score. Enter received female quantity and score. Select ablation if required. Enter remarks in the text box if required. Click on the Add button to complete the brood sourcing process. Brood source data addition success screen is displayed. Select Add another to add another batch or click Go Home to return to the home screen. Added brood data will be reflected in the dashboard.